This lesson will cover run-ons or fused sentences and comma splices. So what are they? A run-on sentence is when you have two independent clauses or two sentences with no punctuation or conjunction. Many writers try to fix a run-on sentence error by putting a comma, but this creates a comma splice error, which is when you have two sentences connected by a comma. Both of these errors should be avoided. Let's take a look at some examples. A run-on sentence error would look something like this. The grass was tall, I cut it. This has an independent clause, the grass was tall, and another independent clause, I cut it. However, there's no punctuation or conjunction connecting these two sentences. However, trying to correct the run-on by simply placing a comma between the two sentences is a comma splice, and it's also incorrect. So how do we fix these errors? The first solution is to put a period between these two. However, you can also put a semicolon. But if you'd like to show the relationship between the two independent clauses, you could put a coordinating conjunction. And in this case, the second independent clause is showing effect, so I added so, which is one of the fanboys. Another solution is by putting a conjunctive adverb. This would be a semicolon or period. The conjunctive adverb, in this case, therefore, because it signals result, and then followed by a comma. And finally, the last solution is putting a subordinating conjunction. This can be done by putting the subordinating conjunction at the beginning of the sentence and then putting a comma in the middle after the first clause, or it could be in the middle. So in this case, I said, because the grass was tall, comma, I cut it. However, I could put the subordinating conjunction in the middle, in which case I will not use the comma. The grass was tall before I cut it. In the first example of a subordinating conjunction, because signals reason or cause, and before shows time. This completes the lesson on run-ons and comma splices. Good luck and happy writing.